Guys, this is in no way a comprehensive learning tool. If you want to learn how to perform retinoscopy correctly, you have to go to optometry school, where you'll be provided with the correct resources from a supervisor and clinicians that can teach you how to perform it correctly. But this is just a baseline. So what I like to do first is to just check the visions of the patient. So what I'll do, I'll occlude their left eye, see what the lowest line is that they can see, and that will give me an idea of what movement I'm looking for. The next thing to do is to calculate your working distance lens, which is the reciprocal of the length of your arm in meters. My working distance lens is plus 1.5. Pop that into both eyes, check for an against movement in the left. It's good practice to do that. So hopefully, if the left eye is sufficiently fogged, you'll see an against movement, then you can start retting the right eye. Switch the light off, get the patient to focus on the green side of the duochrome. Okay, that will relax their accommodation so that you can trust your ret just that bit more. Try and make it darker than this, but this is just for video purposes. Then you're looking for the slowest width and the fastest against in that order. Slowest width most likely means you're going to be looking for a plus. If you see a width, you pick the slowest one, then you start putting the plus lenses in until you've neutralized that meridian. By neutralized, it means you see a nice full reflex. So here I am pretending to show you a width movement, and I find about a plus 0.75. Once you've found and neutralized the meridian, you can then pop the lens in, and then we can focus on trying to neutralize the astigmatism or the sill. In some cases, if not most, you'll notice that the axis is around 90 degrees away from the original meridian that you just neutralized. And now we're looking for an against movement so that we can put in the minus sill. Don't be disheartened if you can't seem to perform retinoscopy on your first attempt. The more you practice, the more you'll be familiar with people that accommodate, people with small pupils, people that don't look straight. You just get better at it over time. But just remember, take out the working distance lens, switch the light back on, ask the patient to read the lowest line. Hopefully it will be 6.6 or better. And if you found that helpful, please click follow.